Ho, ho, ho! Santa Van here with a little update on yesterday's holiday giveaway video we posted. So yesterday we posted this holiday giveaway video. You know, we've had a pretty good year, and we know that for everyone, this has not been a great year, this whole pandemic, all the crazy shit going on, right? So my wife and I had this idea to help some families out. Heart's in the right place, looking to get involved. I can tell you right now that the response to that has exceeded any and all expectations. Being fully transparent, we have several $1,000s that her and I personally decided to commit to this. The response we've gotten thus far, that's just not going to cover it, period. And I don't know about you, but I'm not one that really loves to let people down. You know, I want to try and go a little farther here. And in order to do that, I'm going to need a little help. I'm sure you guys have all heard, right? United we stand, divided we fall. Together we're strong. As individuals, we're never as strong as we are when we are united. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for a little bit of help, but I'm going to offer everyone who can get involved and help me help other people. I'm going to offer some payback, some possible form of payback. On the table here, I've got 3 items, right? These are all used items, right? These are just examples of what we're going to do. This is the Alpinestars Supertech V3 suit the kid raced in this year. This is my Shoei X14. And we got a pair of Supertech R boots. What I'm going to do, probably going to get myself in some type of legal or tax trouble, whatever. We're going to do 3 separate raffles. I'm going to run these only for this week, okay? One ticket for the suit is $100. $100 per ticket. We're going to keep track of all this. I'm going to give you a PayPal address. Caleb's going to put it on the screen. This is going to flow into a PayPal account that we can actually keep track of, okay? $100 a ticket per suit on Friday, right? After 12 noon Eastern Standard Time on Friday, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull, right, the individual that wins each product. We'll do a quick little video and just shout that out, and I'll send you an email, reach out to you, we'll get you your stuff. Shoei X14. We're going to do $50 a ticket here, okay? Alpinestars Supertech R boots, $50 a ticket. So the upside for you guys is you get to contribute and be part of something that I think is pretty badass. The responses I've got, man, I'm going through my email box. My wife and I are laying in the bed last night. We're reading these off the phone. I got to tell you, man, there's a couple of stories in there. They'll tug on your heartstrings for sure. And we just really want to do all that we can do, right? And remember, this isn't Amazon, man. I'm not Jeff Bezos. I can only dig so deep and still keep it realistic. But I think with the emails and messages I received from people yesterday offering to help out, right? I think together we can go a whole hell of a lot farther. So, once again, to recap, you can have your choice of any available Alpinestars Supertech V3 race suit, $100 per ticket. We're going to pull the winners for this stuff 12 noon Eastern Standard Time this Friday, okay? $50 a ticket for any X14 that's available. And then $50 per ticket for any pair of the Supertech R boots that we have here in the shop. The PayPal address, okay, and this is, we're going to use a different one from the business because we need to be able to keep track of it. It is marcine124@yahoo.com. marcine124@yahoo.com. Please put in there, okay, which item it's for. Make sure we have your name as well as good contact information for you. Full disclosure, we are not keeping anything. There's no management fee. We're not taking anything out of this. We are contributing the cash that we were initially contributing in addition to paying for the items that we are raffling off. Okay, it's very important. This whole thing is transparent. This is all about helping people out. So if you can, please help Santa Van, help all those folks that have been emailing me since yesterday.